Hey there! It's time for another episode of this Tech Tips series. In this Tech Tips series, we are diving into the exciting world of Powtoon. This episode is part of the Animation 101 Tech Tips series. In the previous episode, we explored how to add transition and timing on your object to your Powtoon project. In this video, we now explore how to add pre-made scene to your Powtoon project. Are you ready? Let's start. Adding a pre-made scene. To add a pre-made scene, click on the Scenes button located on the right corner of the studio. You can choose from My Scenes and Generic Layouts. There are also various other scenes such as retail, agriculture, remote work, tech and web, holidays and events, health and safety, office, data visualization, finance, urban, and edu are available for you to use for your presentation. Note that most of the pre-made scenes are only available for premium accounts, denoted by the crown icon on the lower left corner. For the free account, you can still access some free pre-made scenes. Choose your preferred pre-made scene, then click on it. It will automatically be added to the stage. To preview the added pre-made scene, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click play. The pre-made scene contains elements and animation that you can edit in the timeline below. The elements shown on the stage are organized in a nested structure within the tabs. Nesting is important when you want a group of elements to appear together at the same time. To edit the elements, click on the elements you want to edit. Click on the Settings button, and a pop-up will appear with various options for you to choose from. Adjust the settings accordingly. To preview the changes, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click play. And there you have it! You can now start to add a pre-made scene to your Powtoon project. In the next Tech Tips episode, we will learn how to use templates as your Powtoon project. See you there!